If you're an investor, house hacker, or researching the New York market, this is the video you can't miss. We'll explore the house hack trends in 2023 to 2024, specifically 2 to 4 unit properties. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights to make informed investment decisions and capitalize on current market opportunities. What's the scoop on the 2024 house hack market? We're zooming in on those 2 to 4 unit gems that are perfect for house hacking. In 2023, the market was already buzzing. Economic factors and shifting buyer preferences have reshaped the landscape. But 2024 has brought some significant twists and turns. The world's borough, Queens. Inventory skyrocketed by 68% year over year. Queens has been a hotbed for real estate activity, with the median sale prices for 2 to 4 family properties rising to $1,060,000, a 6% bump from last year. We could, however, be seeing sellers come back down to earth. Actual sale prices are about 11% less than the median asking price of $1.2 million. Despite these higher prices, the average days on market held steady at 88 days, which means that there has been no significant change in demand since last year. Since it's the county with the highest count of small multifamily properties that have sold, here are New York house hackers' top 10 Queens neighborhoods: Jamaica, Flushing, Glendale, Astoria, East Elmhurst, Bayside, College Point, Corona, Woodhaven, Woodside. Now, let's move on to Brooklyn, aka BK, aka Kings County, is not to be outdone. House hack opportunities surged by nearly 74% from last year. This is more than any other county that's mentioned in this video. The top Brooklyn neighborhoods for small multifamily properties are East New York, Cypress Hills, Bedford-Stuyvesant, East Flatbush. The median sale prices climbed to $1,080,000. The days on market, just like in Queens, remained steady, increasing by just 1 day. This reflects the borough's enduring appeal. Brooklyn saw 746 new listings in the first half of the year, compared to just 429 in the first half of last year. The Bronx continued the upward trend, with 652 new small multifamily listings in the first half of 2024. A 43% increase from last year's 455 new listings. The median asking price for 2 to 4 family properties rose from $850,000 to $949,000, for nearly $100,000 increase. Despite seller ambition, there was a more modest bump in actual median sales prices, from $799,000 to $850,000 year to date. This is why comps rely mostly on sold prices and not asking prices. The Bronx neighborhoods with the most house hack activity are Wakefield, Westchester, Pelham Gardens, and Pelham Bay. Let's move out to Long Island, starting with Nassau County. Nassau County is seeing an influx of new listings as well, with 45% increase year over year. The median sale price for 2 to 4 unit properties is now $852,000, up from $765,000 last year. Properties here are moving faster too, with the average days on market dropping from 85 days to 78 days. The top area choices for multifamily investors have been Valley Stream, Port Washington, Long Beach, and Lynbrook. Now let's go a little bit further out east to New York's easternmost county. In Suffolk County, inventory has grown by 43%. Median sale prices increasing more than any other county mentioned in this video. Prices have soared to $720,000 in 2024, compared to $600,000 last year. The demand remains robust, and the average days on market have decreased since last year. Properties are selling nearly 2 weeks faster than they were last year. Average days on market is 53 days compared to 66 days last year. Suffolk County's top destinations for 2 to 4 family inventory: Patchogue, Lindenhurst, North Babylon, West Babylon, Huntington, and Bayshore. Last but not least, Westchester also saw a significant increase in activity, with new listings up by 52% year over year. The median sale price for 2 to 4 unit properties is now at $760,000, compared to $730,000 last year. Properties are selling quicker, with an average days on market down from 54 last year to 49 days on market so far in 2024. Westchester's most popular neighborhoods for 2 to 4 family properties are Yonkers, Mount Vernon, New Rochelle, Greenburgh, and Rye. Now, with this, of course, there are some challenges that are facing investors. One of the problems is that more buyer competition can decrease the amount of time that investors have to make an informed decision on a property. Solution to this is to stand out by focusing on high demand areas that offer more available listings. There's also a price disparity. The problem here is that rising asking prices aren't always matched by sale prices, especially in the Bronx. There is a solution. Sharpen your negotiation skills and do thorough market research to ensure that you're paying a fair price. Now let's talk about property turnover rates. The problem here is that quick turnover times can make it tough to snag a good deal. The solution here is to stay vigilant and act fast when you find a property that meets your criteria. Chances are, if you see a good deal and you have easy access to check out that property, there are other investors with the same access. So you want to act quickly and be on the ball. Here's some strategies for investors. Focus on properties that are nearing or have already reached the average days on market. Properties with diminishing online views, no prospective buyers, and over 2 months on the market hold some of the best opportunities. Properties that sit on the market usually go stale because the asking price is too high, property has issues, or both. Sellers in these scenarios can be some of the most motivated ones that you'll find. Secure financing, a home inspector, and an attorney before you begin your home search. I know getting a pre-approval letter is probably the #1 tip or advice that you get out there, right? And I totally agree with it. But when you get those other pieces in line, the inspector and the attorney, this will allow you to make offers and go into the contract quickly once you've identified the property. Since New York is an attorney state, an accepted offer can still be overturned by another offer if the deal is not yet legally binding with the contract. This is why you want your attorney ready to go once it's time to review and to sign contracts. The last piece of advice here is to continue to keep your options open. Deals are not deals until it's legally binding. So if you're not yet in contract and are fearful of potentially losing a deal to other buyers, don't stress. Instead, continue to view the other available options in the market as your backup property. Remember, you don't need to leave a deposit or even spend money on a home inspection just to submit an offer. Until it's formally accepted, you don't have to move forward with any of those things. Therefore, you should take advantage and put out multiple offers on properties to increase your chances of landing a quality deal. To recap, stay flexible, innovate your approach, and you'll find success in this evolving market. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more real estate insights and updates. Don't forget to watch our next video for more tips on starting your real estate journey in the New York City metro area. Thanks for watching.